we're going to take the plastic yarn or plarn that we made previously and make bow ties. You'll just need that plarn and some scissors. First, you'll stretch out your plastic yarn and you'll create one loop. Then you'll loop it back and continue about 10 times, back and forth, holding the yarn or plarn in your hand in the center. Make sure everything is laid as straight as possible, and you keep your hand in the center of the bow. Cut the leftover plarn and wrap it around the center to create a bow. Keep wrapping until it's nice and tight. The plastic bag yarn should be nice and pliable. That means easy to wrap. Tuck it in and you're done. Cut the excess plarn and you'll have a beautiful bow. You can pin it on your shirt, wear it on your hair, or even put it on your wrist.